Hello everyone, I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to perform MRI of pelvis. So now let's go started. First of all, you can see here there are three images. Both are local laser images, and now I set up the planning T2 TSE sagittal and look here the protocol, and at first open the protocol and showing here the image. This is sagittal image. Now I nicely set up the planning and look here. Now I change the FOV. Okay. Now following anatomy and physiology and change the distance factor. Yeah, look here, this is axial images. So sagittal image planning will be on the coronal and axial images. Yeah, okay, is and everything now fine. And look here the parameters and then apply. Okay, now complete T2 sagittal planning. So now the next planning, just open protocol. Yeah, now change the FOV, just open, copy parameters, slice and saturation, and okay. Then the apply. Now the next T1 sagittal, just open protocol, just copy, yeah, right now, okay, copy, slice and saturation, and okay. Now the apply. Okay, now the sagittal section planning will be complete. Now the next T2 coronal, just open protocol. Yeah, look here, and coronal plan will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here the protocol and showing here the parameters. Okay, this is STIR sagittal image. Look here. Yeah, now nicely set up and look here the pathology. Yeah. So now this patient main complaint, this patient cervix CA and post CT. Now done. So post CT means chemotherapy. Yeah, now I nicely set up the planning. Look here, and this is coronal images and another is axial. Okay, now everything is fine, and look here the parameters, is and everything fine. Now apply. Okay, now T1 TSE transverse. So transverse plan will be on the coronal and sagittal images, and now change the distance factor. Yeah, now I nicely set up the planning. Yeah, following anatomy and physiology. Okay, now everything is fine. Showing here another image. This is coronal and this is sagittal image. Okay, now apply. Okay, now the next protocol, post contrast T15, just open protocol. So T15 axial plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Now I nicely set up the planning. Same procedure, following anatomy and physiology, and is and everything now fine. Now apply. Now the next T15 coronal. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and axial images. Same procedure, following anatomy and physiology. Okay. Now change the FOV. Yeah. Now apply. Now the next T15 sagittal. Now change the FOV. Okay. Is and everything now fine? Yeah. Yeah. Right now everything is fine, and look here the slice per slab. Okay, now apply. Okay, now the next final T1 post contrast transverse images. So at first now open and normal or the pre contrast images and copy. Now apply. Okay, now another planning setup. Yeah, right now this is sagittal, just open and copy pre-contrast T1 sagittal, slice and saturation region. Now apply. Okay. Now the next. Yeah, change the FOV. Okay, now the next T1 coronal. So just open normal, means pre-contrast coronal, and copy. Now apply. Now I change the FOV, now apply. Okay, showing here the image. This is post-contrast sagittal image, and look here the pathology. Yeah. Okay, and look here the another pathology. Now the axial, look here and look here. Yeah, this is very interesting case. Now showing here the another axial images. Now DWI, look here, and now another axial images, T1 axial and STIR axial image showing here, and now T2 axial images showing here. Okay, now the STIR coronal image is showing here. Now nicely. Okay, right now this is T2 coronal image. Yeah, and T1 sagittal image is showing here, and this is the pathology. And look here, another image T2 sagittal and another is STIR sagittal. Thank you so much.